YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Amigo the Entrepreneur. I'm back with another one. Today is a nice vlog. First one I ever did. But I'm gonna take my family out with me today. You know what I'm saying? Wife are right there, getting the baby car seat together. Whoa! What you doing? She into everything, y'all. Look at her. I'm gonna take my son with me too, one of them. I'm gonna take one of my sons with me. The other one's out in the world somewhere. What's up, babe?
What's going on? Good morning, YouTube. We out here finna get ready to wash this house and drive away. I got my son with me, Quinn. Brown's washing. We finna teach him what all he need to learn so he could be doing a job for himself one day.
To the backyard?
Come on, Quinn, let's walk to the backyard.
That dick out.
Quinn is in training. Gonna be the next best pressure washer for Brown's washing. Keeping it in the family with our kids. Family owned black business.
This her dick.
Yeah, this her dick. We go through that way. I think it's locked. She ain't got no dog. We'll do it. That's the other hose we use when we put the gun on the end. We use that black hose. That green hose is for the water. We training him how to connect the water to the house. Getting ready, testing that water out. You ready, babe?
Yeah, let's go. Throw all that dirt down. All the dirt that may be on the concrete, lay it down.
Look at that, y'all. Now look at the difference in that concrete.
I'm about to put the chemical down, right? What the chemical gonna do is it's gonna make all that dirt and all that stuff that's deeply inside of the concrete rise to the top. So when we put that right there, the surface cleaner on it, that's how it look. See how that look? How it did when I put that on it? This whole driveway about to look like that. Watch it. I'll show you, alright? That's the chemical.
Look at that difference of that concrete. Y'all see that? he doing.
Next, we about to wash this house, and then we about to go do the back of this house. I'm gonna show y'all this deck. I don't know if she showed it to y'all, but I'm about to show it. His deck look like that too. It's green. Look it up. I mean, it's green. We about to bring it back all the way around. That's what we do. Stay tuned. I'm gonna touch all this up when we get all this, you know what I'm saying? Gonna do all this at one time. Stay tuned. Got my boy out here with me. Applying the chemical to this side. Work my way on around. We're gonna knock that back out. Side fairly, it's pretty clean. Ain't really no mold or mildew. Thicked up moss and stuff like that on the bottom of it. We about to touch that up real quick. They about the worst part. Touch that up. A little green right now. And we're gonna work our way on around. Alright. For water.
Y'all, this is what the house look like before he put the solution on it. All that green stuff down there. All that gonna be gone.
Rinse it down real quick before I apply the solution. I'm gonna put a hot mix on this. I got some chemical in my pump up sprayer. Hot. It's gonna I mean, I'm gonna put a downstream mix on it too, though. Just because I'm about to downstream the back, I'm gonna downstream it too. But I know that downstream mixes ain't gonna be near enough strong for this green stuff. But that hot mix and that pump up spray is though. What up, son?
What up?
You got the hot mix? All right. There she go with the hot mix. Yeah. What'd you say?
You know I got you.
For sure. We got
We gotta do it too much.
a little downstream mix on there. They putting that hot mix on it so we can make sure all this green get up. You know what I'm saying? We want to make sure all that's gone. Y'all stay tuned. I got my little man out here with me. We getting it. All right, y'all, downstream mix didn't touch that. So I'm about to see what my hot mix will do. I don't know what it's gonna do, but hopefully it should lighten it up way lighter than that. Let's see. Okay, now. We're gonna let it sit for a minute.
A few moments later.
That's what we just did, y'all. Concrete driveway. Front walkway, porch, wash the house. Got the house looking good and clean. Good and clean. All up through here. Peaks. All that. It's clean. Foundation a lot cleaner than it was. This side a lot cleaner. She did not want to get the fence cleaned up. I guess we'll be back one day to do it. But we got this thing cleaned up real good. Look at that. Real good. On both sides. House looking good. Even that spot right there. That's rust right there. I ain't putting none of that. I got some F9 bark to remove it, but I ain't finna put it on there. I'm finna go. I'm here to do what I was paid to do. If you want to give me a couple more bucks, it'll get up off of there. But look at this though, y'all. Amazing results. Amazing results. Amazing results. That's a whole lot cleaner than what it was. That's rust. Let me zoom up on that so y'all can see. The rust coming from the right down the corner of that gutter. It's leaking down on there. I put a hot mix on there twice and I downstreamed it. I know that's rust. I don't want to hear nobody telling me what it is and what I could have did to remove it. I know exactly what to do to remove it, but I appreciate the game. Matter of fact, you can tell me all inputs and knowledge is very needed. All right, one more time for this deck. Beautiful results. Y'all book your appointments. Like, comment, and subscribe. We out of here. Beautiful results.
Thanks y'all for tuning in to our vlog today. I enjoyed it. You learned something, man?
Yeah.
Alright.